guys, it's Eleanor here and welcome back to my channel. I'm so happy to have you all here. I just want to say thank you so much for all the love on my last video. It was my wash day routine that I shared with you guys and I got so much love. Like I said, I just want to thank you all for watching it. Before we get into today's video though, I have something to share with you. What do you guys think of my t-shirt? Eleanor J'adore, get it? I was in the shops the other day and I just thought I had to get it. It's so cute, a little bit cheeky, some might even say a little bit cheesy, but I don't care. I really like it. Anyway, let me know what you think. I've got so many new things today. Oh yes, my setup. What do you guys think? I'm really trying something new here. I thought I needed to spruce up my setup a little bit, so I'm trying to inject some color into it. Leave me a comment on that down below and let me know what you think. Is it working for you? Is it not working for you? Yeah. Alright, now probably the biggest announcement that I have before we actually get into today's video is that I'm planning to bring you guys a lot more videos, okay? So I am committing to uploading a video every Friday. Now, that is a big commitment for me. As you guys know, I'm a full-time mum with I've got two small boys, but I really enjoy YouTube and I want to be here a lot more. I want to connect with you guys a lot more. So every Friday I'm going to bring you guys a video. I don't know what time yet. I'll see how it goes. If I can't upload a video for some reason, I'll let you guys know on either Instagram, Facebook or Twitter. So make sure that you follow me on all those platforms. But yeah, every Friday, this is my new thing. I've got lots of goals to reach this year and this is one of them. So let's see how we go, shall we? Alright, so let's get into today's video. I've got this very cute and easy Valentine's Day updo tutorial for you, which looks like this. And yeah, I'm not going to waste any more time. Let's get straight into the video. So I'm starting this hairstyle on freshly washed hair. You can do it on old hair, it doesn't really matter. But then I'm going to take a moisturizer, and today I'm just using this one by Design Essentials. You can use whatever moisturizer you like, and I'm mostly concentrating on moisturizing my ends. Now guys, this hairstyle is so easy. I was almost considering not doing a voiceover for it, but yeah, I decided to go ahead and do one anyway. So I'm going to proceed by taking out my fringe or my bangs. Then I'm going to proceed by twisting and tucking my hair up on the sides. And of course I'm pinning it down as I go because I want it all to stay in place. So just make sure that you do the same on both sides, the left and the right. And once you've twisted and rolled and pinned the hair down on both sides, you're going to take the loose hair in the middle and just kind of fold that over the rest, tuck that in and pin it down as well. There's something very vintage looking about the back of this hairstyle, and at the front it's all still quite party and not so vintage. I don't know if that made any sense what I just said, guys, but basically this is the hairstyle. As I said, it's super cute, super easy. I was going to do it for Valentine's Day, but then I got the Valentine's Day date wrong, so Valentine's Day was Wednesday and not today, which is Friday. But nevertheless, you can do this for a cute Valentine's Day look, you can do it for a cute date night look, or just whenever you want to style your hair like this. And that's just about it, guys. So now I'm just going to pull and nip and tuck and fluff a little bit more, and that really is the final hairstyle. Super easy, super quick, and I hope you guys liked it. And on a final note, everyone, I would really appreciate it if you could go ahead and click that subscribe button. I am almost at 1,000 subscribers and it would mean the world to me if you could help me get to my first 1,000 subscribers. So please go ahead and hit that subscribe button right now. So thank you so much for watching again, and I will see you in my next video. Bye! J'adore. j'adore. Eleanor, j'adore. And don't you forget it. And don't you forget it. Eleanor, j'adore. Eleanor, j'adore. Oh, Eleanor, you're ridiculous. You're ridiculous.